Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce overhead with HubSpot step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to your dashboard to get an overview of your features. Identify the departments within your organization that incur the highest overhead costs. Access the Reports tool to analyze current expenditures. Generate detailed reports on marketing, sales, and service expenses. Evaluate the effectiveness of each department through these insights. Look for patterns in spending, such as recurring subscriptions or in-used services. Consider integrating third-party applications that streamline processes. Visit the HubSpot app marketplace to find suitable integrations. Prioritize tools that can automate time-consuming tasks. Implement marketing automation to reduce manual efforts. Utilize email workflows to manage customer interactions more efficiently. Set up email sequences to nurture leads without ongoing effort. Review your current subscription plans within HubSpot. Determine if you are using all features to their fullest potential. Consolidate tools whenever possible to minimize excess costs. Use HubSpot's CRM features to manage customer relationships seamlessly. Encourage team collaboration through shared tools and resources. Train your staff on how to best leverage HubSpot's capabilities. Regularly revisit your usage and costs to identify further savings. Utilize A/B testing to optimize marketing campaigns without additional spend. Monitor key performance indicators to gauge the impact of changes. Adjust your strategies based on performance data. Document all changes for future reference and accountability. By following these steps, you'll systematically reduce overhead with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.